Good morning. March 5th, 2025. All right. Wow, what a crazy couple days. Crazy month, I guess, maybe. Look at that. Just nice drop down. Every move so far has been sold, so I can't believe that. I mean, this one won't get sold also, apparently. So far. That's what it's looking like. So, see what happens. We're up at CPR, so above it, I'm bullish. Below it, I'm bearish. Pretty simple. I love days like this. I'm playing around with well, I don't like that. Just came up and hit the 1 minute weighted. See if we get a reject here. It could be a 1 minute 40 as I call it. You know, if you take it right at the 1 minute, 40 points down. That's where we look for it, 408. Not saying that's where it's going, I'm just saying. We'll see how it plays out. But you do have a 1 minute sloping down. So take that for what it's worth. We also just hit this resistance, was support, bang, 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 in its essence. See how it plays. All right, getting a couple things still set up. Sim, got to set up my accounts, see who's going to do what. Profit Pro. Yeah, I'll give it all a shot. Let's see what happens. Okay. Nope, looks like we're going to try to bust out over the top of the 1 minute. If it can make it. But previously, up, drop down. Let's see what these give. What did these give? If you took it right here. Oh, 32. This one, not quite as much. 25. This one, quite a bit. 60. This one, did we get over it? Did we close over it? I think we did. Ooh, big one. These were all this morning too. There's another one. This one's a little longer duration. Took a long time to play out, but huh. So you think it's a good strategy? One minute, 40 points, so we call it. Especially when this guy, especially when this guy's coming down, right? He's moving down. This guy's not over. He's not done. 16 points so far. See if he can get to the 40. I'll just leave that right there. All right. Hour chart. Below CPR, or bearish. Above it, bullish. Pretty simple. You do have some resistance up here. You got this prior resistance, which we tried to make it up through yesterday. Couldn't do. What a sell-off yesterday. If I go to the 15-minute, well, 5-minute I think shows it a little better. Just ugly. Look at this 15-minute reversal candle. Where's it at? Right there. Yeah. I mean, this is what I dream of. Candles like that. On the 15-minute. Move up. Tried to get above resistance. Couldn't do it. Failed. Put in a beautiful candle and then just rejected. Like 400 points. I mean, that right there, if you would have taken it below here, I mean, at the peak, 300 points. Realistically, you know, even if you just stopped out there, 87. Just a beautiful play. That's a nice little reversal there. All right, we got 7 minutes. I'm pretty much done. My system's pretty simple. Is if you're below CPR, you're bearish. If you're above, you're bullish. You watch out for VWAP. You watch out for the 1-minute weighted. I mean, it doesn't get much simpler than that. So I watched the 5 and 15. Pretty simple. Put this to 2 now. Save some memory. Here we go. Oh. I wonder if I can get more room. I want to try to condense these up. There we go. I like that better. Watch some TV since Papa Seal. All right, getting close. 2-minute warning. Here's my 2-minute warning. Getting ready. Taking my standard morning trade. Oh, better get my thing set up. I want my strategy to be 15 and 20. If I can find it. 15. What the hell? Where's it at? $15 and $20. I'm set up now. All right. Whew. All right. Good luck. Keep an eye on the cues. See how it plays. 30 seconds. All right, we got, where are we at? Let's go with 47 and 15. $30 points. Close to it. A little more. All right, good luck. 5 seconds. By the time you get it, it'll be open. There we go. Market open. Whew. Nice little move to the downside, flushing out with bottom control. Below the 1 minute, we're going to get that 40 points I talked about at open. Move to the downside, sucking back up. Not sure which way I want to go yet. Right now I'm looking to the downside. Yep. But it's a tough one. I'll give it a shot. Oh, and I'm late. Gonna get taken out. Yep. You sucker. Got taken out. All right, we hit bottom control, bouncing up. I got 1 on my contract now. I will take it to the upside. Oh, there we go. Almost took it. Trying to get above the 1 minute weighted. Struggling. I'm still holding. Gonna wait to see if we go up on the upside or the downside. I like the upside. If we get back above 45, I'll probably go long. We're just kind of holding here. We're trying to get above the 1 minute weighted. Can't do it. Gonna reject. If we close down below that 2 minute there, probably below, get below 11 again, I'll probably go short. Nope, can't do it. All right, a little chop fist, so I'm going to hold on. I'm down 5. Oh, there you go, you sucker fish. I've seen this movie play out, I think. Oh. Alright, I gotta be very careful now. Now I'm gonna hold off, not gonna take anything. Yeah, it's to the downside, darn it. But ATM's shooting up, or ATR I mean. Come on, baby. Give me a little bit of a shot downward. Come on. Oh. Ooh. Can't take much more of that. All right, so now I go into little play mode. Any move up towards 19. If I can get around 19, I'll take it short. We're holding down the bottom of the bottom control, which I wouldn't be surprised for us to come down to 356. That's the bull zone. Let's see what the 5 minutes doing. Yeah, kind of resistor. 15, not showing us much. All right, there was my 20. Darn it. Couldn't get in there. Yeah. Yep, just a little choppy here. Let's let her ride out a little bit. See if I can recover a little bit. Wow. ATR is up to 26. A little choppy here. Oh, let me see. No, we got a green line there. All right, there's the break lower. Son of a gun. Yep. All right, look for a potential bounce area if we're gonna bounce. Ooh, I wonder if I should just take a put and just hold on to it. Oh, man. Yeah, the puts are a little pricey today. Whew. Yeah, everything is. All right, so watch here for a bounce. Let's see if we can hold on to it. Let's see, where am I going? Let's see, if you take this bottom here, right there, we could come on down here to 324, 269, 214. Those would be the targets. Could have taken that short right there. Darn it. That would have been a good spot. It's all right. Okay, so we got another 25 points to go down, it looks like. Here we come. I don't want to just drop in, so I want to wait for a strategic play here. Oh, there we go. All right, get out of that. Let's go into a chart you guys can see. All right, we came down and hit support. Let's see if we can bounce from there now. No bouncing. All right, I got to look for a little stutter step or something before, so see if I can get in. Right now we're not leaving, we left one big 1 minute gap up there. Here's maybe our little stutter. Might not be much of one. Okay, so what I drew on my chart was something like this. All right, there's a nice little bounce. Might be a short day for me today. I'm not going to go too much further than this. Okay, nice little move up. Okay, you got a potential something like this, so we got to watch for that. Inverse. Good move up. Coming back up to the 1 minute. I think if we get above that 1 minute and then try to get above VWAP would be next. So the 1 minute's at 431, 432, and VWAP's running currently at 488, but they are both sloping downward. Pretty good pace, so we'll see, have to see. But don't forget about that inverse head and shoulders. You know, 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart, something like this. And we got a nice little reversal there so far. Let's see how this guy closes. We still have 351 left. So I'll move back above the 1 minute and close. There we go. Daily pivot, 20,448.25. That's where we're at now. And then we have some resistance right here. So that's where we're trying to get above. So far unable to get above and hold above that 1 minute weighted. There we go. We just closed above it. Oh, that would have been a nice long. Let's see if I can grab it somewhere. Come on. I won't let it do that again. Ah. All right, what I need is a move down, a nice wicked candle. Yeah, I got to be very careful now. I almost was not going to trade today either. Darn it. I should have been very careful. I knew what kind of day it was going to be. That closed there at 23. Yeah, I just can't get into these. 32 point ATR right now. I'm just going to sit back and relax a little bit. 37. All right. Come on back down. Right there. Come on, baby. Move back up. Oh, son of a gun. All right, we're coming down. I like this around 12. $12 would have been a good entry. I just can't get in. I got one more trade in me and that's it. Okay, I'm going to jump in here. See if I can get a move up. I'm going to go ahead and oh, I should have took the 200. Damn you. Yeah, I still think that's a good trade. No? Wow. Okay, drop back below bottom control. See if we revisit the lows. Well, my streak might be over today. If not, it'll be a great comeback. But since I switched over to micros, it might take me a long time. Should have switched to micros a long time ago. All right, we just closed that gap. I'll try another short here. See if we're going to continue down or we're going to reverse it back up. got a cross. It's the right play. ATR is 33. I don't know, it's funny because one chart says 37 and one chart says 33. All right, we're coming up to bull zone here, tapping it. A lot of times when I look at this and say, well, we came down more than halfway, so the next one should come all the way down to the bottom. We drop that. See what happens here. That's interesting. Okay, see what the 15 minutes looking like. Still looking a little bearish. Kind of stuck in between bottom control and the top of the bull zone. Still got a 34 ATR. Yep. All right, we're to our bottom control, trying to fight up through that. See if we can get back above this prior 2-minute low, which is currently at 413. I mean, you rip up through that and then you rip up through this guy at 447, then you got to be bullish. Minute 19 left on this 5. I was just going to pull the trigger and give it a few more minutes, a couple more seconds. It's going to take me out here. Come on, get on down there. Get on down there. Damn you. No harm, no foul. Come on, get back up to the top. I'll take that short. Back up to around 356 would be good. Probably going to be close enough right there. I don't know if I can make it. Can I hold on? Come on down. All right, now I need to move down. Come on, let's go get down there and get 277. But we just kind of made a higher low. So I'm not too excited about that, but I'm going to just protect myself here a little bit. Come on, let's go. There we go. Oh, come on. There we go. 460. I'm going to lock in some. Let's see, I'm in at 54. 44, so I locked in 10. Come on, keep going down. I'll try to get 20 as soon as I can. Nope. You're not going to give it to me? Nope. Damn you. I don't even think they touched me. And they took me out. Yep. Lost that guy. Shit, son of a bitch. Look at that, too. I wouldn't have lost it if you would have done that. Opening range low. You sucker. All right, lost my TakeProfitTrader. One of them. Gosh darn it. Look at that. It just would have held out just for a couple more seconds. Already been just a couple more seconds late on that, or earlier, or later on that trade. All right, we dropped 300. Get taken out there. Came down to the bottom of the bull zone. Didn't quite get there. We bounced right before it. I got some making up to do now. Gonna happen. So I grabbed 1,000 out of my take profit last couple days. So that's helped a little bit. Okay, we're back up to that support area, which is now resistance. See if we hold or if we lose that. Back below the opening range. So opening range low is 313.75. Here's the opening range low. Do something like that. See if we bust up above that. If we come back down below the opening range low, I think that's a short. We'll see. bastard. Wow. Wow. What's that, news? $10. Yep. Well, that was a clear out. Let me check that real quick. Go to my website. Oops. Mr. Fibs. Economic news. I remember looking at it. 10 o'clock. Factory orders. ISM PMI. That's today. Yep. 10 o'clock. That was some good info. Okay, so we shot above. It's one way of getting above the 1 minute weighted. So now we got opening range high right here at 456. So I think I'll move back above that. And you got to be long, but then a move back down below this 1 minute could set up a nice little 40 pointer. That's your long and the short of it. Your ATR is 46. Ouch. 57 on one. I don't know why that's so off. One chart says, oh, there we go, 47. One says 57. Huh. That actually might tell me a lot right there. All right, see if we can hold this 1 minute weighted right there, right around 11. That's also bottom control right there. I'll try a little short. Get out of the way if I can. I just don't know if you can hold this. Nope. There's the long. I don't have enough draw to be able to hold these longs. Yeah. Oh. Streak is over, baby. That's all right. It had to come to an end. Kind of irresponsible of me. I should have probably played just micros to start. All right, so 798. Here we go. Here we go. I think we go up to long. You got the midnight open up here at 537. Opening range high right now, we're trying to get up through it, 456. So I took a long there, 45, 75. So I'm going to shoot for 534. Oh, that's a long ways up. Don't think I'm going to get it. I need to be, this is where I need to enter, right here, where I'm going to get taken out. I'll hide right here. But that should have been my entry there at 422. And then that way I have a 10-point stop. All right, see if we can get up through opening range, which is, you know, right there at 455, 456. There we go, trying to get up through VWAP. See if we can get above VWAP at 463, 464. We're right at the, also at the daily pivot, which is 448.25. Here we go. See if we can cruise on up now. See if we can break the opening range high. Can't really do it. Can't get through VWAP. I'm going to just take a 10-point. There we go. All right. See if we can cruise on up. Get past 500 now. What do I got above that? Oh, we got top control right there at 493. We just hit. Tried to get up through. Hell, if we get up through here, we could just cruise on up. Because what we got here is this. We might come back and retest this in 7 minutes or so. But wow, it'd be great to get up above 523. We're already above this guy, so this guy is high as 523. Yeah, so if we can get above 523, 525, we could cruise on up. All right, hopefully, I don't know. Question is, what do I do here? See if we come back down and retest opening range, which is 556 or 456. See, 100 points, that'd give me 2K. Well, I might have to play out a new strategy and play micros on the opening trade, and just double up and play 2 or 4 versus playing the minis. Darn it. All right, if we don't hold the opening range high, they're going to take me out. There we go. They're going to take me out. Nope. So far, kept me in the ball game. There we go. Wow, that was pretty crappy. Some people hiding behind VWAP just got taken out, me included. So I still like the long. I'd still like to get up above there at 534. Yeah, see, that's the entry right there around 41. Right where my stop is. Right here. That's my entry. $42. Come on, let's shoot up there. All right, so I'm going to put my stop at the bottom of that wick, and if he comes down, then actually 1 minute, sorry. Then we're probably going to go lower, obviously. What I'm looking for is like a flush. In fact, if he takes me out here, I'll wait for that flush. I'll wait for a flush candle and like a little hammer. Okay, if they come back down through, they're going to take me out. So I'll move up, try to reduce that hurt. See if we can get a push back up through VWAP. This might be the little stutter step for the long, potentially. No, they're going to get me. All right, just not a good day for me. Pluto trades is bearish. Yeah. There's that move up. Let's see if I can. Oh, see, I just can't stay in. My 10-point stop is too small. Well, my win streak's over. All good things must come to an end. I got to rebuild. But I've been pulling a little bit of money here and there out last couple of days. All right, tried to get back above VWAP, couldn't do it. I'm not going to take that big of a hit, so I need to say, okay, I'm right there. I'll take it right there. In fact, maybe I just close this trade out. And just hold on, just wait. Wait till we slow down a little bit. Michael, what's your ATR on the 1 minute? I got two charts, both playing the 1 minute, and one says 44. Well, they're both lined up now, 44 and 44, but earlier one was saying 47 and one was 57. I couldn't figure that out. They're both on Ninja. Okay, so I'm not getting a real flush out candle that I was looking for. Bummer. Kind of just choppy sloppy in here. Your VWAP and 1 minute weighted has gone flat sideways. My bot has not taken a trade either. Huh. There's potential short right here. Getting close. Not yet. Got 15 seconds. It's got to close below the 1 minute weighted. Around 15. Yep. Ideally below 15. Oh, missed it. Here, I'll just take one. If we get back below there, I'll take it. Target's 43 points down at 370. Unfortunately, the stop is huge. Wow. 466. I'm not going to go that high. But my target's going to be right there. I think that's about 1 ATR. I'm going to go to 0.9 ATR, which is about 73. I'll trail it. Looks like we might get it. I might just come down here at the top of... Actually, I'll just go ahead and play the bearish sentiment. All right, SMC says he's bearish, and I gotta at least think about it. All right, just gonna go to break even, and maybe a little bit higher to break even. All right, 1 minute 40. Let's see if we can play the 1 minute 40 scenario. Actually, it probably already got there, I think. Pretty close. 39. So, just playing the 1 minute weighted moving average, taking that short right there. There was 39 points, which I missed out on. Are they going to get above there? Let's see. Oh, 1 minute held it down. Let's see if we can do it again. Probably could have added one there. Probably should have added one there. Come on down. Give me 62. All right, so that 43 points target one was almost hit. 370 is what it needed. There it goes. I'll take one off there if I can. Okay, right there. That's good. Cruise on down to break even there. And I'll move down to session low, see if we can come down. Come on, let's drop back into that bull zone. Around 356. Don't take me out. Come on, baby. Yep. All right, they got me. Still, that 1 minute 40 gave up, where's the 1 minute weighted? Right there. Almost 48 points. You know, basically from here, I could just say right there, 51. Not bad. We're going to continue down. I'm going to take that guy. I'm going to move him out of the way. See if I can snag some points here. Probably pick up a couple puts. See if I can just hold on to them for the day. Oh, fuck. I tried to buy them at 250 and they jumped up to 320. Just like that. Couldn't even get them. Damn it. Son of a gun. Huh. Well, I can try something a little bit higher, I guess. Okay, kind of what I got to watch out here. I mean, what do you see here? Right? I mean, it's still there. You know, it's just at a little bit of a different angle, but it's pretty prominent. And it's on the 1 minute. Oh, let's see where I'm at. I can't. Kind of on the 2 minute. 5 minute, maybe not so much. Actually, just bigger, right? There it is on the 5 minute. Here it is on the 15. Right there. And it's there on the 60. I don't know if I can line it up like that, but gotta be careful. I'm glad I didn't get in those puts. We'll see. See how it plays out. We're down 40. It would have been nicer if we would have came down in this area versus this. I mean, okay, I like that. I'll give it a shot there. Come on, baby. Got to move back to the top of the bull zone. Should just add another one there. I'll take a little bit of profit here if we can get down. Come on. If I can get any kind of move down to around 31 or so, I'll put my stop down there just to take a little bit of profit. Come on. Give it to me. The longer we stay here, the worse I feel. Come on, give me some continuation or I'm going to jump out. There we go. Come on, a little more. Tried to give me 31. Come on, take it. Oh, you sucker fish. All right, I'll add that. Come on. It's going to be sloppy because we're in the bull zone, so you're going to get moves up. All right, I'm back to where I want to be. It's just sloppy. We're in the bull zone, so it's going to go up and down and all around. It's either powerful and it flies right through it, or it's weak and it'll float around a little bit. That's the way I always think about it. And here's the zone. This is what I'm talking about. See if I can blow that up a little bit. Might get taken out here. But damn you. Okay, so now if this guy gets breached, you got to be really really watching that, something like that. That's what I'm watching for. One of the two things that happen, either break down or break up. No, I don't want that. I want 10 and 50, whichever way we go. can go either way right now. If we break that opening range low at 13, I'll take that short right there. I'll give it a little more breathing room too. There's a 5-minute candle. Yeah, that'll work. Get ready for the long. All right, back up to top control. We might get a little breakout. If we can get above probably 360, we might get that move back up. Right there. I'll give that guy a shot. Come on, grab him. There you go. One off. One off, cut my risk. 54, 44. Move above, move back down below. That might be the little flush out I was looking for, maybe. And let's go down here. 40 seconds. There you go. There's the move. Don't be afraid. Jump on in there, big boy. Take me out. Give me 10. There you go. ATR 35, 36. Oh, you fucker. Damn you. Let's close this like a hammer candle. 1 minute. Nah, I just can't hold them. I give up. Nothing wrong with that candle right there, though. Last trade. Come on. Give it to me. Come on, 36 ATR, you can do it. 62 should give you 98. I only want 89. All right, I'll take that. I want to put this guy up to VWAP. Come on, blaze on up there. Just no momentum. I want to go to session high. All right, we got IB in place. See if the 1 minute can, see if we can get past that guy. Come on. 395. Push on up to 400. Get above. Just can't do it. Get above bottom control at 404, and then the pivot at 448. I'm going to just come up here because probably going to break through that trend line I got drawn. You can do it. Get back above the 1 minute. 494. See if we can get back above. Oh, that's bottom control. Oh, damn. 404. Just cannot get above that 1 minute weighted now. Can't get above it. It's going to come on back down. No buyers. There we go. Now you got to get above bottom control. Man. There we go. 404. Then you got to get above 448. And you got VWAP at 447. It's like, man. Wall of worries. Up 700-800. Momo to the upside. I'm going to go ahead and lock in something 20 points. Give up 20. I'll get on up here to 98. Actually, I want to be below that. Okay, I'm up 50. I've locked in 20. It's probably okay. All right, so I'll try to lock in 50 now. What's that? 50, so that'll be at 30. I'll lock in 20. No, not even going to lock in the 20. So I'm at 70. I locked in 30. Can't lock in 50. We're too close. I'll lock in 10 to 10. That'll give me 40. And that's a good time to come on back down now. Come on, it's got to stay above that, otherwise I won't be good. All right, I'm out. I'm getting out where I should be getting in. We'll give that a shot and see what happens. Can I get 10? Oh. That's good. Come on, get back up there. That's far enough. Bottom control trying to hold it. 404. I'll take one off just to reduce some risk. I made good headway. Oh, wouldn't even take me. So that's what I started watching for. See if I can find more of these like flush outs. Like this guy. That was a good example. Right there. Right? And you just take the long right here. That's it. These guys aren't powerful enough. I wouldn't be surprised for us to come down, flush out, and I'll try to get that candle in the reverse. So I'll put a buy in here. Say, okay, you flush down, and then pop up. Right? Do we have a 5-minute open gap? Yep, we do right there at 88. So 88, 92, anywhere in there. Oh, we're going to get the flush down. Move back above the 1 minute, coming back down below it. We're still angling down, so you could get a 40-pointer here. I think I caught it too late. I'll take this. Oh, missed it. I was going to take that baby off. Oh, come on. Nope. I'll try it again. Wish I was a little bit higher. No, we're going to go up high. Well, just about blew that count too. I'm done. Willy-nilly. Went back to reverted back. It's a process. It's a process. Let's see, I'm still alive. Oh, not that alive. Oh, you fucker. All right, good day. I'm out. Nobody's here. Nobody's talking. Pluto, thanks. You're bearish. I'm not sure. You know, we're not really doing much. Maybe after 1 or something today. Start all over. I'll grab some more counts. Do it again tomorrow. I'll be a little more cautious tomorrow. And have some fun. Took way too many trades. I need to be a little more cautious in the morning. Michael tried to tell me yesterday. I didn't listen. And we'll go from there. We'll get it. I'll get back in the swing of things. I hate to see this one on the big red day will be on the calendar, but I'm going to download it here and I'll post it a little bit in my blog thing. All right. Ciao. Have a good day. I'm going to go drown my sorrows. 7 o'clock in the morning.